country you are watching me currently. Welcome to my channel, and my name is Godwin Matthew. And today I will be teaching you how to use Microsoft Office Word 2007 to create certificates for your company, for your organization, or for your student apprenticeship training, as the case might be. So the process is very simple. So follow me as we begin step by step. All right. So as you can see, this is our new blank document. Our new blank document is the empty blank document here that there is nothing on it. So for us to begin, we need to put what is known as page border on this certificate. Every good or most certificate has what they call page border to make it look attractive and to make it look outstanding to every viewer or recipient of the certificate. So for us to put what is known as page border, we will go to this place, this menu here you see, where they write page layout. Page layout. So you click on page layout. So if you click on page layout, you come to this place where they write page border. Hope you are seeing it. Page border. So you click on page border. Once you click on page border, this dialog box will appear. You see here they write border and shading. This dialog box is the dialog box for border and shading. So you see here we have none, box, shadow, 3D, custom. Here we have style, that is line style. You can scroll to choose your line style. Here we have color automatic. Here we have width, and here we have art. So this place the right preview. This is where you'll be seeing the preview of your border of what you'll be doing. So let's begin now. You see this place where they write art. You see none here, art none. Take note of it. Then you click this arrow to choose. Once you click this arrow, this you will see series of borders that will pump out just like here. So you now begin to make your selection of the border you want to use. Anyone you choose will appear at this previewed. So let's just say we choose the first one. You scroll to the first one that look like apple, that have apple shapes. You see this one. So you click on it. So each border you click, you see it will appear here as a previewed. If you don't like the previewed, you will go and choose another one from this place, from the drop menu here, and let's OK it and see the impact. So you see, once you OK it, the border will appear. So this is what we call page border. So you see, it look beautiful. So you can still go back and change it, but I don't like this page border, so I want to go back and change it. So I have to go back and go to this same page layout and then click page border. So once you click page border, you come to this place, you scroll down. So I normally choose the one that is black, the black one, so that I can change my color. I can customize the color I want. So if you choose it here, it will appear here as black. So you can come here where they write colored. So you can choose any sharp color that you want. So you can still choose red. So let me choose red. You see, this is the previewed. So you OK it. So this is how to change your border. So let's go back again and make this border wide, the width to be wider than this because it's too tiny. So you go to your page layout, then you come to your page border. So once you come there, you see here the right width. So you can increase it. You see it's increasing here. Just be looking at that previewed. So it's increasing, you see. So the highest here is 31. So you can increase and decrease it. So once you have gotten the width that you want, you OK it. So you can see I have customized it to the way I want. So now let's continue. So you write the name of your organization or the company that you are creating the certificate to. So every certificate is supposed to have name of organization or association as the case might be. So the name of the organization is Godwin T School for the sake of example or for the sake of this tutorial. So Godwin T School. So you go to the next line, you put the address. The address may be number 12 Kano or number 12 Orange Street. Number 12 Orange Street, Kano, Nigeria. That is my address. So that is the address. So you have your address. Then the certificate number, you have to put the certificate number to make it outstanding. So I will abbreviate it. Maybe it will be GTC, that is abbreviation of Golden T School. Then I can put 001 slash 2023, depending on the coding you want to use for the certificate. Then you press the enter key and put phone number. So you can put maybe 090555555 as the phone number as your phone number. Then maybe this one is 080 as 6666666, for example. Alright, now let's increase our font size for this Godwin T School. You highlight it. Once you highlight, you come to home. You increase the font size. You see here the right font size. This arrow, you click it. So once you have gotten the size you want, you click on it. So you arrange your work, let it be aligned. It's good for your work to be aligned, either by centered, justified, align left or align right. So for this kind of work, it's good for it to align centered, so that everything will be in the center. So you highlight it, you highlight your code, you bold it, you can color it red too. Then Godwin T School, your heading, you can color it. You come to font color, this place where they write font color, you click on the drop menu there. So these colors will appear. You choose any color of your choice. Let me go with blue. Then let me change the font style. So I normally go for all Algerian. This one Algerian, to change the style. So you arrange it, let it align. So let me highlight this one too and increase the font size so that it will not be too tiny, so that it will be readable easily. So you highlight it to remove the line spacing. Once you highlight it, you come to this place where they write line spacing. You click it. You click this arrow. You take it to maybe 1.1. Then you click it again. You see where they write remove from paragraph. Hope you can see. You see where they write add space before paragraph, line paragraph, and you focus on this remove space after paragraph. So once you have done that, you press your enter key. You write certificates as your subheading, certificates. So you highlight certificates. You come to this place to increase the size. So you increase the size to maybe 26. So okay, let's use 48. So you see, then you highlight it. Let's go back to the font style. This Algerian, you choose it. Then you go to font color to color it. Maybe red. So you arrange your work well. Make sure you arrange it well. Let it be properly arranged. You adjust your ruler. Alright. So now you will come to we need to put a customized watermark in this background so that our certificate will look more attractive and somebody cannot easily uh, edit our certificate. So you come to this place where they write page layouts, this same place where they write page layouts. So once you come here, you see where they write watermark. You click on this menu there where they write watermark. So once you click on the place where they write watermark, this dialog box will appears. So once it appears, you will see where they write confidential 1, confidential 2, do not copy, and you will see custom watermark. So but for the sake of this tutorial, we will be focusing on custom watermark. So you click it. So once you click custom watermark, you wait until it loads. So it's still loading. Alright. So you see it has loaded. You see here the right no watermark, and here you see picture watermark, and here you see the right text watermark. So if you have a picture that you want to insert, you click here, then you click select and insert it. But we are focusing on text watermark, so we'll go to text watermark. Once you click text watermark, you see this place where they write text. Hope you are seeing it. You see font, you see size, you see color. So now we'll click on this where they write ASAP, we'll delete it and write our own watermark that we want to use. You understand? So you can write official or official. So you can write official certification for the sake of illustration. Here you see fonts, the right font. So that is it's telling you the font style that you want to use. But let's still go with what is there. You can choose California FB, you can choose Calibri Lights, and so on. So let's use Calibri. So we have author is in author. You can use your own size that you wish. All right. So here we have diagonal and the horizontal. You can change the color. So let's use maybe green. So once you choose any color, it will appear here. Then you click applied. So then you close. So you will see that this is what we call watermark, and you see the watermark has appeared. This is official certification. You see it's adding more values to the certificates. So now you can come to this place. This place you put something, you put 32 pointed star in this place. 32 pointed star at the bottom of your certificate. So you come to this place where they write insert, you come to shapes, you go to where they write star and banner. So you come to this one where they write, you write 32, this last one they write 32 on top of it, 32 pointed star. You click on it, then you draw your star, you scroll downward, you take it down. You know this star 32 pointed star normally be at the bottom of every most certificates. So you can reduce the size if you wish. Alright, so this place is already highlighted, so you can choose any color that you want to use on it. So let's use this one so that it will be sharper. Wow, so you see I've colored it. All this thing is to add values to your certificate. So this place now you can say, you can come and begin to type the body of your certificate, that this is to certify that you put, this is to certify that, so you can underline it. So let's use black. If you don't want to use this line, you can delete this particular line. You come to your inserts, you go to shapes, you use your line there. You see here the right line, you see this line, you can carry it, then you can draw your line. You can draw your line, you can adjust it. So once you right click on the line, highlight it, you come to where the right format auto shape. You can you can color your line. You can see the right color, dash, different types of line that you want. If it's dash line you want, but what I want to do is I just want the line to be fatter than what it is, that is the weight of the line. So you click this one. So as you are clicking it, you see this measurement is increasing. So you will now okay it. You see it has reflected here. So this is to certify that the person name will be here. The person name will be on top of this line. So if it is your name you want to use or the name of the person you want to issue to, the person name will be there. So you can also come to this place and say has, maybe if it is John you want to use, so you can say has completed his or her apprenticeship training. Apprenticeship has completed he or she apprenticeship. You can just put apprenticeship or training as the case might be. So you come and say between, because there need to be a duration So maybe between 2022 to 20, you can use dash if you like, or you can use your line from auto shape, depending on how you want it to be. So why you need to do it this way is because maybe you want to be using this certificate you have printed subsequently for your student that are training under you. This place here, you can easily use biro, or you can use whatever you want to use to put 2023, 2024, and so on and so forth. So maybe here now at the bottom here, you can put HOD, HOD sign. HOD, that is head of department sign. Then here you can put apprentice apprentice sign, or managing director, depending on how you want it to be. So you now come to this place. Please don't forget to click the subscribe. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So like and comment on my video. This will enable you to get small notification each time I post a new video. So after you pick your line, you can put it here. So you can press Ctrl D to double the line once you have highlighted it. So you come to this place and you drop it. So you can delete one of the line here since the line have duplicated. Sorry. Alright, so they can sign on top of this place, both the HOD and the apprenticeship. So you can also put page color. So you come to page layouts. You see here the right page color. Page color. So you can use any color of your choice. If it is green, you click green. So but green is not making the certificate to look the way I want. So you can come and change it to any of this color. So we can go with this color. So we can still go back again and change the color of this our page border, since the color of this our page border is too sharp. So we now go back to page layout, then go to page border. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. So you come to, let's change our color to something that is not too sharp. So let's choose this and see. So you see, this is the color I've chosen now. So I think this one is okay.